Hi, Microsoft Excel users. Sometimes, there is a list of strings, which include some long strings, and for neat and tidy, you may want to truncate the strings into a fixed length. In this tutorial we are going to show how to truncate digit or text string in Excel. So, before we start, for your information, we will upload video series related to various types of Microsoft Office tutorials. If you interested, please subscribe our channel. If you have Kutools for Excel, you can easily truncate digit or text string without formulas through Remove by Position option. Select the strings you want to truncate, navigate to Kutools, next go to Text, select Remove by Position option. Enter the number of characters you want to remove in Numbers text box, and check an option from Position section, which decides the position you remove from. Click OK or Apply. The strings have been truncated as you need. That's it. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you were able to learn some valuable information. And we'll see you the next one.